children. In the previous session, we have seen the conversion of Roman numerals into Hindu-Arabic numerals and Hindu-Arabic numerals into Roman numerals. Today, we are going to see addition and subtraction of Roman numerals. Steps to solve the Roman numerals. Step 1. Convert the given Roman numerals into Hindu-Arabic numerals. Step 2. Solve it and find the answer. That is, if it is addition, add it, or if it is subtraction, subtract it and find the solution. Step 3. Convert the answer into Roman numerals. Adding Roman numerals. First, MCCLX plus LXIV. To add these Roman numerals, the first step is convert the given Roman numerals into Hindu-Arabic numerals. MCCLX and LXIV. First, let us find the value of MCCLX. The value of M is 1000. The value of C is 100. Again, C is there. The value of C is 100. Value of L is 50 and the value of X is 10. 1000 plus 100 plus 100, 200. 50 plus 10, 60. Adding together, we get 1260. So, the value of MCCLX is 1260. Now, let us find the value of LXIV. The value of L is 50. The value of X is 10. The value of I is 1. And the value of V is 5. Now, 50 plus 10 gives 60. And 1 is lesser than 5. So, we can subtract 1 from 5. So, 5 minus 1. Simplifying, we will get 60 plus 5 minus 1 is 4. So, 60 plus 4, 64. So, the value of LXIV is 64. Adding together, MCCLX plus LXIV is equal to 1260 plus 64 is equal to 1324. So, the sum is 1324. Now, we have to give the answer in Roman numeral. So, we have to convert the sum 1324 into Roman numerals. 1324 can be expanded as 1000 plus 300 plus 20 plus 4. Now, 1000 plus 300 can be written as 100 plus 100 plus 100. 20 can be written as 10 plus 10 and 4 can be written as 5 minus 1. Roman numeral for 1000 is M. Roman numeral for 100 is C. So, 3 times C. Roman numeral for 10 is X. So, 2 times X. 5 minus 1. Roman numeral for 5 is V and Roman numeral for 1 is I. While subtracting, smaller numeral should come first. So, IV. So, the answer is MCCLX plus LXIV is equal to MCCCXXIV. Next, DLXXVI plus CCCLXXV. To find the sum of these Roman numerals, convert the given Roman numerals into Hindu-Arabic numerals. Find the value of DLXXVI and CCCLXXV. First, Let us find the value of dlxxvi. The value of d is 500, L is 50, x is 10, again x is 10, v is 5 and I is 1. $500 plus 50 plus 10 plus 10 gives 70. 5 plus 1 gives 6. Adding together, it gives 576. So, the value of dlxxvi is 576. Next, let us find the value of ccclxxv. The value of c is 100. Again, c is 100. Once again, c is 100. Next, the value of L is 50. The value of x is 10. Again, the value of x is 10. And the value of v is 5. Adding together, it gives 100 plus 100 plus 100 gives 300. Plus 50 plus 10 plus 10 gives 70. And then plus 5. Adding together, it gives 375. So, the value of ccclxxv is 375. Adding these two values, dlxxvi plus ccclxxv is equal to 576 plus 375. Adding together, it gives 951. Now, convert the answer into Roman numerals. (951) can be expanded as 900 plus 50 plus 1. In terms of Roman numerals, 900 can be written as 1000 minus 100. Roman numeral for 50 is L and the Roman numeral for 1 is I. Now, the Roman numeral for 1000 is M and the Roman numeral for 100 is C. While subtracting, smaller numeral should come first. So, CM Li. So, the value of 951 is CMLI. So, the answer is dlxxvi plus ccclxxv is equal to CMLI. Next, subtracting Roman numerals. First sum, CDLX minus CLXXX. To subtract these Roman numerals, convert the given Roman numerals into Hindu-Arabic numerals. First, let us find the value of CDLX. The value of C is 100, the value of D is 500, the value of L is 50 and the value of X is 10. Now, 100 is lesser than 500, so subtract 100 from 500. So, 500 minus 100 plus 50 plus 10. Simplifying, we get 500 minus 100 is 400 plus 50 plus 10 is 60. Adding together, we get 460. So, the value of CDLX is 460. Next, let us find the value of CLXXX. The value of C is 100, the value of L is 50, the value of X is 10, again the value of X is 10, once again the value of X is 10. Now, 100 plus 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 Adding together it gives 180. So the value of CLXXX is 180. Now subtract the values 460 minus 180. That is CDLX minus CLXXX is equal to 460 minus 180. Subtracting, we get 280. Now convert the answer into Roman numeral. So 280 can be expanded as 200 plus 80. In terms of Roman numerals, 200 can be written as 100 plus 100 and 80 can be written as 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. Now, the Roman numeral for 100 is C. 2 times 100, so C, C. The Roman numeral for 50 is L. The Roman numeral for 10 is X. So X, X, X. So the answer is CCLXXX. CDLX minus CLXXX is equal to CCLXXX. Next, MCCXLIX minus DCL. To subtract these Roman numerals, convert the given Roman numerals into Hindu-Arabic numerals. First, let us find the value of MCCXLIX. The value of M is 1000. The value of C is 100. Again, the value of C is 100. The value of X is 10. The value of L is 50. The value of I is 1. And the value of X is 10. Now, 1000 plus 100 plus 100, 200. Here, 10 is lesser than 50. So, we have to subtract 10 from 50. So, 50 minus 10. Similarly, 1 is lesser than 10. So, subtract 1 from 10. So, 10 minus 1. Simplifying, 1000 plus 200 plus 50 minus 10 is 40 plus 10 minus 1 is 9. Adding together, we will get 1249. Next, let us find the value of DCL. The value of D is 500. The value of C is 100. The value of L is 50. Now, 500 plus 100 plus 50 adding together gives 650. Now, MCCXLIX minus DCL is equal to 1249 minus 650. Subtracting, we get 599. Convert 599 into Roman numerals. 599 can be expanded as 500 plus 90 plus 9. In terms of Roman numerals, 500 can be written as D. 90 can be written as 100 minus 10 and 9 can be written as 10 minus 1. The Roman numeral for 100 is C. The Roman numeral for 10 is X. Again, the Roman numeral for 10 is X. The Roman numeral for 1 is I. Now, write D as it is. While subtracting, smaller numeral should come first. So, 90 can be written as XC. Similarly, 9 can be written as IX. So, the answer is MCCXLIX minus DCL is equal to DXCIX. Hope you all understood. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.